All right. Here we are at Joe Barbosa's pad. You guys are all, you're not live, but I'm putting you on YouTube. Joe here. We got some good stuff going. This is Junior from Gabby's Grills here.
Yay.
I'm still meeting everyone. There's Derek. This is Dennis. Yeah. Martin.
Raiders.
We got a grill going over here. We got a kettle going here. We got some candied pork and bacon going on in here on this offset. Got a pretty lady right here working on slicing up some stuff for some mac and cheese, some sausages. We got Junior over here. Look at that, Junior's visiting and he's having to use his own concoction to cook.
Come on, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raiders.
We're just getting going. We're gonna start eating here in a couple hours. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna relax a little bit. Check out this awesome canopy Joe made.
Sausage spit at me.
Gonna be some good eats. It's nice and smoky in here. I'm gonna smell like smoke for a week.
Not unless you shower.
You gonna make me?
Yes.
Oh, wives can do that, can't they?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna cut out here. I just want to say hi.
Change it.